Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to do my top 10 intro songs to a punk album from 1977. So these are the first songs, the opening chords from my favorite punk albums of 1977. For tone, I'm using my Fender Twin Amp and I'm using a Rat pedal by Proco for all of these tones. There's a link in the description where you can get the Rat pedal. I get a small commission from it and it helps support my channel. And remember to like and subscribe and check out my website, scottobryanguitar.com. I've got the tab for hundreds of punk, rock, and grunge songs up there. And here we go.